Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you 15 different websites that you can use to make money online. So number one on the list is a website called Digistore24. And basically it's a affiliate marketing website where you can promote other people's products and earn a commission doing so. So it's really easy to sign up onto, and then once you're signed up you can just go to Marketplace and go to all offers on the affiliate marketplace. And then you can look through this list here of digital products, events and seminars, services, and physical products that you can promote for a commission. So this works great with social media accounts because, for example, you can make an Instagram account on fitness and post fitness related posts like quotes, etc. And then you just go over to digital product and go to fitness and health, and then you can find results like this where you can get on average $24.75% commission for promoting this meal plan. So all you have to do is look around and find a deal that you feel like you could promote to your audience that has a pretty good commission. So you could choose this custom keto diet book. It gives you average 75% commission rate of $28.42. And then you can make Instagram posts on it and then just go to promote now, click on that, and then grab this link which sends you to this page and then put it on your Instagram, and every time somebody clicks on this link and purchases it, you could get $28.42 per commission. So number two on the list is going to be Fiverr, and Fiverr is one of my personal favorite freelancing websites because there's many different ways to sell and make money on Fiverr. So using the link down below in the description, you can sign up to Fiverr and then look for gigs that are getting a lot of sales. So I found a gig called I will create motivational YouTube shorts and Instagram Reels. This guy is a level 2 seller. He has over 1,000 orders and he has 2 in queue right now, so he's getting a lot of orders on Fiverr. So that is a good sign. And his prices start at $40 and go all the way up to $175. He also has important clients like Ziglar and the Quote Bibles. So this guy's providing 50 different fully branded YouTube shorts from his archive with your logo and brand name. And these are pretty basic motivational reels that anybody could do. So using a video editor that can auto subtitle like CapCut or even Premiere Pro, which does have an auto subtitling feature, then you can go onto YouTube and look up interviews with famous celebrities around your niche of shorts that you're promoting. And then you can record the most important parts around 10 to 30 seconds, auto subtitle it, and do that for 50 different videos. And then you could start to sell it for $40. And for me personally, this is really good because it's passive income, because I already have all my videos made. So every time somebody purchases my gig, I already have pre-made videos that I send to them with their logo on it, and then I earn money from it. And now I've made almost $250 auto subtitling them. So it's a great way to make money online with no starting capital, and it's passive income once you get customers. So the third website on this list is swagbucks.com, and it's a survey website, and most people think that survey websites are just scams and that they don't work, but Swagbucks is one that I've personally tried, and it does work if you're looking to make small amounts of money. So I'm on the Swagbucks website right now, and there's a lot of different ways to earn, and some of them require you to spend money like this one. Spend $25 and earn 12,000 Swagbucks. So you want to avoid those because we're trying to make money and not spend money. You're not going to make any if you're spending money. So what you can do is that you can do these surveys here. So you can click on one like this, a 450 Swagbucks survey, and then you just have to fill out the information for about half an hour, and then you get 400 Swagbucks. So if we do go to the rewards, you can see that it's about 1,800 Swagbucks for a $25 gift card. It's going to take you maybe 5 hours to get $25. So you are making around $5 an hour. So it's definitely not the fastest way to make money, but if you do have some spare time, maybe you're on the bus or something, you could just pull out the Swagbucks app on your phone and then just get a quick 30-minute survey done. And then if you do that every day for a week, you can cash out on one of these Swagbucks $25 cards. So it does add up if you have some spare time and you have nothing else to do. There's also these Swagbucks giveaways, which are great because if you spend half an hour of your free time getting 400 Swagbucks, then you can enter into a lot of giveaways like this. So you could have a chance to get 2,500 Swagbucks, which is enough for a $25 gift card with only 10. So number 4 on the list is Scribby.com. Scribby is a website that transcripts your spoken audio to text, and it's similar to a lot of other websites that do this. What you have to do to sign up as a transcriber is sign up, set up a PayPal account, and take a transcription test. And you can work whatever you want and earn 5 to 20% per audio hour, and its automated transcripts save you a lot of the work. One of the things with websites like Scribby is that the more work you do, the more offers they're going to send you, so then the more money you can make. So it's definitely something that takes a few months to get the ball rolling, because it could take you a month or two to get accepted, and then a few months until you start to get a lot of offers. But once you do that, you can make up to $1,600 a month, and that's with 8 hours of work every day. But if you cut that down to only 2 hours and divide it up, you could still make $400 a month, which is a lot of money for a side hustle if you're looking for some easy cash that requires no skills. So number 5 on the list is a website called usertesting.com, and usertesting.com is a website that pays you to test different things. So if you do head over to their website right now, it explains to you how it works. So you just have to apply, and then once you get in, they'll send you offers, and they send you offers based on how you answer their screening questions. When you're filling that out, it can really make a difference on how many offers you're going to get. So putting down stuff that is going to relate to specific companies is the best way that you can get a lot of offers. So one of the cons of this website is that you might go a long time without getting any tests. So it could take you a couple of days to weeks to get some tests that are showing up for you. And then once you do get some offers, you just put in what you think of the product, and then you get paid to do that within 7 days. So number 6 is a website called trymana.com, also known as Try My UI, and it's another similar website that you get paid to test. With this website, you can earn $10 or more per test, and there's no limit of tests you can do, and they say that you can expect to get a few tests per week. Test different websites and put in your information, and you can get $10 or more per test. So it's really similar to the other website. So number 7 on the list is Etsy.com, and specifically selling printed products on Etsy. So Etsy is full of different digital products online, like digital planners. There's over 500,000 digital planners on Etsy. So to get less competition, you can sell things like clothing, and you can do that with the second website called Printify.com. Printify.com is free to use, and they only charge you once you get a sale, and you can automatically integrate it to different websites like Walmart, Shopify, and you can integrate it with your Etsy store. So by connecting it, you can create and sell your own clothing designs. So using a website like Printify, pretty much they print out your design on different clothing products and sell it directly to Etsy. And this is completely free. You only get charged when you do get a sale, so you don't have to worry about spending any money on it, and you can sell different t-shirts on Etsy and make a profit. So number 10 is a website called listverse.com, and on this website, it is a top 10 list website that you can get paid to write lists. So if you go to the website and go to the bottom, it says write and get paid, and you can click on that, and you can get paid $100 per list that they accept. So one of the great ways to come up with lists is using AI like ChatGPT, and go to ChatGPT and then just ask it, give me good top 10 lists, and using ChatGPT, it will give you great top 10 lists, and you can go through and ask it to make hundreds of lists, and then just look through the ones that are not on listverse.com, and then send those to listverse.com and see if they accept, and you can get $100 per list. So number 9 on our list is a website called Prolific, and it's a research website where you earn money for sharing your unique experiences. So on this website, you get paid to research things, so you can earn a minimum of $8 an hour, which is great. So that is great money for a side hustle because you have completely flexible hours, so you can do it any time of the day you want. And the problem with this website is that there is a wait list currently, so if you do try to apply, you have to join their wait list. But if you don't mind waiting a few months, and you might get lucky and get accepted into Prolific to do research for them. So number 10 on our list is a website called sproutgigs.com, and this is similar to Fiverr, but it's with different odd jobs. So on this website, there's a lot of work on here that's really cheap, and if you can get to the top, you can get hundreds of sales. So this website's great if you can find a way to automate this. Doing hundreds of sales for only $1 to $5 is not really worth it, but if you can find a way to automate it by selling digital products that are pre-made, or doing easy things like this where you just have to remove a background from 5 pictures for $1. It's extremely easy, and you can just do that whenever you want if you have a spare 20 minutes or so, and do that to make a few dollars on the side. So this website's great if you don't really have any skills, because you can do easy things like making YouTube banners and things that don't require a lot of skill and anybody could do with the internet connection. So number 11 on the list is a website called rev.com, and it's similar to Scribby, which I showed previously, but rev.com pays you more. So all you have to do is go to the bottom of their website where it says freelancers, click on that, and this is extremely similar to Scribby, but the main difference is that you have to manually transcribe everything, and you can make 30 cents to $1.10 per minute as a transcriptionist, and 54 cents to $1.10 as a captioner, and you get paid weekly with this website, and you can work whenever you want. So with this one, the more jobs you do, the more offers you are going to get, so it does take a while to build momentum, and it might take a few months to get accepted into freelancing with this website. What's really cool about this website is that right here it says if you know a foreign language, you can make $1.50 to $3 per audio video minute as a subtitler, which is a lot more than what other people are making. If you know a foreign language, rev.com might be the website for you, because you can get a lot of money subtitling with a foreign language. So number 12 is a website called Free Cash, and all you have to do is go to freecash.com. So once you go here, you can actually make money for signing up to things. So you just go to the sign up section right here, and there's different things that you can make money to sign up. This one here called $20bet.io is giving you $23 to open up the app and sign up. So with this one, most of the stuff is going to be on your phone, but there is a few things you can do on the website. So you can do daily quizzes, and you can make a lot of money on these daily quizzes. Here's one here for $10.96 for a quiz. So some of these ones aren't very good. You make 8 cents for a 1-minute quiz. But if you have nothing to do and you're just looking to make some fast money with no skills and right away, this is a great website, because you can just sign up and do these 5-question quizzes and make like 10 cents. And if you do a few of them every day, after a couple of months, it does add up. So in order to cash out, you can cash out with a lot of different things like PayPal and Bitcoin and Stake, and you can cash out with gift cards like Amazon. So if you're looking for a fast way to make some quick money, I would recommend Free Cash, because you can sign up and start making money when you have a little bit of spare time, and it really adds up quickly. Number 13 is a website called Raise.com, and how Raise works is that you buy and sell gift cards. So if you have some unwanted store credit or gift cards that you got for returning something, you can go to raise.com and then sell that gift card, and you can make money. So some of the top gift cards are Target, Home Depot, Adidas, and Best Buy, and you can see the different amount of discounts they're giving you. So these ones here on average are 3.3%. So what you do is that you set a price for the gift card. So for a $20 gift card, you can pay $19.37. So if you happen to have spare gift cards, you can make almost the full value selling them on raise.com. And if you're looking to buy gift cards, you can actually make money as well. If you go to buy discount, you can go to 30% plus. All of these gift cards here up to 50% off on a gift card, so you can buy it for half of what it's actually worth and make money. So number 14 is a website called gigsmart.com, and gigsmart.com is great because you create a profile and set up, and then you get paid to do actual work. So this is a great one if you're looking to actually do work, because you can choose any work you like and it's guaranteed pay. And unlike the other websites, a lot of this work is in person. So if you don't want to do work online, you can do work like construction crew, warehouse staffing, landscapers, drivers, movers, restaurant staffing, etc. You can do these gigs so you don't have to commit to a permanent job, because you just sign up for a gig and do the gig, and then it's done and you get paid. So the last one on the list is nexusnotes.com, and this website is great if you're a good student, because you can use it to sell your notes online and you get paid depending on how many people click on your notes. So if you're in university, etc., you can put up your notes on this website and they pay you for the amount of people that click on it and check it out. So if you are a student in university looking to make some side money, this is great because you've already done the work. All you have to do is upload it and then you can get paid.